Khashba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic game? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics, events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competition, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medal. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Khasba Jadhav. Khasba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district, but was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had five sons. The youngest of them was Khasba. Dada Saheb himself thought his son wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khasba. From an early age, Khasba loved to watch wrestling, but his father took him to see the bout from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into Akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own Akhada but in the whole area. Khasba loved other sport too. He was fond of kabaddi, mulakam, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sport with his friend. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. Khasba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestler at the state level and national level. Khasba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Nirjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Game. When the Khasba Jadhav took part in the Olympic game for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in the earthen pit. At the Olympic game, the bout were held on merit. In spite of these differences, Khasba Jadhav won a sixth place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Khasba wished to take part in the Olympic again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of official. Also in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Khasba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Khasba village also helped. 1952 Olympic were held to Helsinki Helsinki, there Khasba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and Gulf countries. He won the first five bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout latest for 15 minutes. Khasba lost the matches by just 1 point. He was exerted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was again the rules. According to the rules, Khasba should have rest for at least half an hour before the second bout. Khasba lost in the bout with a Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won bronze medal by finishing third. When the Khasba returned from the Helsinki, many people honor him. The people in his village give him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 Bullcock carts wait for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhol. Hasba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending the Khasba to Helsinki. Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Khasba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Should not we all try all our best to give great honors for our motherland?